been requested to make a particular video, and I've been also getting a lot of DMs and comments on my Instagram and YouTube to share my hand care routine. Therefore, here I am. Honestly, I am not as loyal to hand care as I am to skincare because I feel like slathering my hands with either a body lotion or a hand cream gets the job done. And for me, this body lotion from Nivea with SPF 15 is just a great product. I use it 5 to 6 times a day, and it's so light and moisturizing at the same time that you don't really need anything else. Other than this, I also have a weekly routine which will be rolling after this intro. It's very similar to skincare regarding the steps. First cleansing, toning, and then finally moisturizing. And I hope you like the video. Even if this step is optional, I would suggest you to always start with filing/cutting up your nails because it produces nail scraps which would be cleared off better while cleansing your hands. Obviously, the first step is going to be cleansing. I have this VLCC cleanser which is meant to be used by putting it in warm water and soaking your hands in it, but I don't really use it that way because soaking up your nails in water can make them weaker. Therefore, I just use it as a simple hand wash, but I wash my hands for like a good 5 minutes or so. Very similar to skincare, the next step is scrubbing your hands, and I use this walnut scrub from VLCC. Scrub your hands for around 2 to 3 minutes and it will help remove dead skin cells which will eventually give space to new skin cells for growth. This also helps in removing tan and hyperpigmentation. Next step is toning up your hands, and for this I use this lemongrass toner from again VLCC. This toner comes in a spray bottle, so it is very convenient to use. Just spray this twice on your hands and then clap your hands together so that it can get absorbed and retain the moisture our hands lost while cleansing and scrubbing. This might be very new to some of you, but there are certain oils which are specifically made for cuticles, the skin around our nails. I use this Myra cuticle oil, I hope I'm pronouncing that correct, and a cuticle pusher to massage my cuticles. You can always replace Myra oil with jojoba oil, and if you don't have a cuticle pusher, just use your hands. Massaging helps with acquiring stronger nails and even nail growth. You all must be already aware of the fact that moisturizing is such an important part of any kind of routine, either it's skin care, lip care, body care, or even hand care. So for this step, I have VLCC's Cocoa Butter Hand Cream, which, trust me, smells like heaven. It's so smooth and soothing to your hand. It's just a great product to have with you all the time. I like to finish off my hand care routine by painting my nails with a transparent nail paint. A transparent nail paint can also act like a base coat. Since it does not have any colors, it is totally safe to use one directly on your nails. You can always layer it up with other nail paints according to your liking. That is it for the video. I really hope you enjoyed watching it. Majority of the products were from VLCC, so if you want, you can buy the same products or you can just switch them up with whatever suits your skin. I would also recommend trying out the Nivea body lotion from before if you haven't yet. It's just a great product. I will make sure to link all of them down in the description box below. Another tip, always have a mini version of body lotion or a hand cream with you, either in your bag or in your pocket, so you can just keep reapplying it and your hands won't lose their moisture. Also, there are so many people who are insecure about their hands. You don't need to be. Everyone is beautiful in their own way. Your hands are beautiful. You are beautiful. Your whole existence is beautiful. And make use of that. Embrace yourselves. Trust me, it will help a lot in terms of self-confidence and self-belief. So this is the end of the outro. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you soon. Bye.